Oh. Juliet? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
Nick, I had to.
Oh God! Oh fuck! Oh God! Where's my fucking body? Oh fuck!
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed, a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
Don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck!
Don't hate me!
Oh, come on! What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Another stupid zombie? Something exploded. What the hell was that?
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
Fitzgibbon, bitch! He's got the last test to do!
This kind of math sucks.
Test time!
What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's some wacky shit! We should help them, right?
Don't worry, I'll take care of them.
Leave me alone! Get away! Help!
I hate when people die.
I fucked up my math test! I need help! I never thought I'd be saved by someone with such great tits.
Heat it up.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again. He gave me a D last week. Kill him.
You're getting a C-minus, bitch!
Fuck. I think that zombie seriously.
That was close.
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick! We need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Just like this.
Lame. Lame.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa. This feels weird. Blue and stuff.
7!
Ah!
Strawberry's my favorite! Nick, look! If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers!
Whatever, dude.
I found something!
Oh my.
Where's my ammo?
But quick, those jerks trapped us in here.
Oh, wait.
It's a party!
And that says it all.
Sweet!
Quiz for
Thanks a lot!
to the champion.
What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop. Look at my name.